Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This side Abhinav, you are watching RKMATH-ODS. So today in this video we will practice some more questions of time and work concept. In the previous videos we do 3 lectures now of the topic time and work. You will check out the link in the description box. Now we will practice some more questions. So our question number 1, A can do work in 20 days and B can in 40 days. So let A can do work in 20 days and the B can do work in 40 days. Now the LCM of 20 and 40 is 40, which is our total work done. Now we have to calculate the efficiency of A. The efficiency of A is 40 divided by number of days, which gives efficiency of A as 2. Similarly, the efficiency of B is 40 divided by 40, that is 1. So we got efficiency of A and efficiency of D. Now if they work for 5 days together, now one day work of A plus B, the efficiency is per day work. So in one day both together do 2 plus 3 unit work. In one day they can do 3 unit work. Now if they work for 5 days, they can work 3 multiplied by 5. So 15 unit work can be done by both A plus B. Now we have to calculate the fraction of total work remain. So remaining work is equal to 40 total work done minus work to be done by A plus B in 5 days, which is 15. So we have 25 unit remaining work done. Now we have to calculate the fraction of total work done remaining. So fraction is remaining what unit? 25 unit, and the total is 40 unit. So divided by 5, we get 5 divided by 8. So 5 by 8. So now our second question of today's lecture. Initially some workers complete a work in 18 days. 6 of them went on leave and the remaining worker complete the same work in 20 days. Find the original number of workers. So let original number of workers say X. Now the remaining workers and 6 of them went on leave is X minus 6. Now we know the formula. We know M1 D1 H1 divided by W1 is equal to M2 D2 H2 divided by W2. Now here M1 is X say and M2 is X minus 6. D1 is equal given as 18 days and the remaining workers complete the work say D2 in 20 days. Since W1 the work is same, so W1 is equal to W2. We can say W1 is equal to W2, and also the time working per day is H1 equal to H2. So we get M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. Here is M1 is X multiplied by D1 and the M2 is X minus 6 multiplied by D2, which is 20. Now on solving we get 18X is equal to 20X minus 6 multiplied by 20, 120. So 20X minus 18X is equal to 120. 2X is equal to 120 which gives x is equal to 60. So the original number of workers is. Our next question is, A complete a work in 12 days. Say A complete in 12 days and B complete the work in 15 days. B in 15 days. After A worked for 3 days, B also joined. Find total number of days to complete the work. Now first we have to calculate the total work done. Total work done is the LCM of 12 and 15, which is 60. So efficiency of A is total work done divided by total number of days, 12. So efficiency of A is 5. Similarly, efficiency of B is 60 divided by 15, 4. As it is given that A worked for 3 days. So work done do by A in 3 days. We get 3 days multiplied by efficiency of A. So A can do 15 unit of work in 3 days. Now the remaining work, total work is 60. So remaining, and 15 is completed by A in 3 days. So remaining work is 16 minus 15, which gives 45 unit work done. Now B has also joined the A after 3 days. Now this 45 unit work done is done by now both A and B. So time is equal to work done 45 remaining and do by A and B both. So efficiency 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. So 45 divided by 9, which gives 5 days. So A and B both take 5 more days to complete the work. Total number of days is 5 plus 3, 8 days. Our fourth question is, which says 5 men and 5 women earn 660 rupees in 3 days. So in one day 5 men and 5 women earn how many rupees? 660 divided in 3 days, 660 in one day divided by 3. So we get 5 men plus 5 women earn 220 rupees per day. Equation number 1. Similarly, 10 men plus 20 women earn 3500 rupees in 5 days. So in one day 700 rupees. Equation number 2. Now we have to calculate a 6 men plus 4 women in how many days earn 160 rupees. Say D. We have to calculate this D. Now we get on solving the equation, we can write as plus 20 women is equal to 700. Now multiply this equation by 2. We get 10 men plus 10 women is equal to 440 rupees. Now subtract this from this equation. So we get 10 minus 10m cancels each other, 20 women and 10 women. We get 10 women. 700 minus 440. We get 700 minus 440 as 260. So one woman get 26 rupees per day as their wages. Similarly, by putting W26 in this equation, we get 20 multiplied by 26 is equal to 700. So 10 men is equal to 700 minus 26 multiplied by 20, which is 520. So 10 men is equal to 180. So one man gets 18 rupees per day as their wages. Now we have to calculate this D. Now we have the values of M 18. So 6 multiplied by 18 plus 4 multiplied by W is 26. is equal to 60 divided by D. Now on solving, we get D is equal to 1060 divided by 18 into 6. We get 108 plus 26 into 4. We get 104, which gives 1060 divided by 212. On multiplying, this can be divided by 5. So D is equal to 5. So in 5 days, 6 men and 4 women earn 1060 rupees. Our fifth question is, a certain number of men do a work in 160 days. Let number of men is equal to X. Now X can do work in 160 days. If there are 18 men more, if X plus 18, given that 18 men more adding, so original number of men X and 18 number of more, the work could be finished in 140 days. So X plus 18 finish the work in 140 days. Now we know that the formula. We know the formula. What? M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. So here M1 is equal to X, D1 is equal to 160, M2 is X plus 18 and D2 is equal to 140. Now putting the value of these in the formula, we get M1 X multiplied by D1 160 is equal to X plus 18 M2 multiplied by 140 D2. We get 16X is equal to 14X plus 14 into 10 plus, we can write 18 as 10 plus 8. Now we get here 2X is equal to 14 10 plus 8. We get 140 on multiplied inside, we get 14 into 10 multiplied by 140 and we get 112 as 14 multiplied by 8. Now X is equal to 70 plus 56. So X is equal to 126. So originally the total number of man X is equal to 126. So now in this video we have completed almost all type of questions that can be made from this concept time and work. Now if you want to ask any other doubt related to the concept and any other query related to the upcoming examination, then go and check out the link in the description of Telegram group. Till then, like, share and subscribe the channel.